With a population of about 25,000, the rural town of Moses Lake in eastern Washington state is joining the United States clean energy economy by becoming a destination for the manufacture of batteries for electric vehicles, or EVs. Nick Anderson is the Director of Program Management for Group 14 Technologies, which manufactures a key battery component.
What you see behind me here is our first 2 commercial-scale production modules for our silicon battery technology here at Moses Lake. That's going to go into everything from electric vehicles to IoT devices to smartphones and wearables, a lot of battery-based applications.
New arrivals to Moses Lake are helping transform the local economy from agriculture and traditional manufacturing to tech, says Moses Lake native Rosendo Alvarado, a plant manager for Sila Nanotechnologies.
We worked in the fields that actually this building is sitting on today. It's been, fast-paced, but moving forward, super exciting about the opportunities that we bring here for Sila, for the community, and for the overall EV market.
2 American startups, backed by $100 million in federal grants each, are racing to secure the domestic supply chain for EV batteries. Jin Berdychevsky is the CEO of Sila Nanotechnologies.
Catching up to the world leaders in Asia is quite challenging. And so the way to do that is actually not to build the same thing that they're building in Asia. It's to build the next generation of battery technologies.
Both Sila and Group 14 are replacing graphite in lithium-ion batteries with silicon-based components, for several reasons.
The primary mineral for what's going in Moses Lake is sand. It's silica. It is the most widely distributed mineral in the crust of the earth. Graphite is lower performance, and as a nation we're trade exposed because most of the graphite comes from overseas.
Grant Ray with Group 14 says that the company's technology aims to reduce one of the major obstacles to EV adoption, charge anxiety.
When we think about charge times, right now we're hearing 10 to 80% in 10 minutes. Well, what if that changes and it comes down to 5 minutes? What if it starts to get closer to what it really is for, the way we think about refueling a car?
The Biden administration made a push for EVs as part of its climate change agenda. Most Republican presidential candidates reject it.
They want to go all electric and put you all out of business.
Berdychevsky of Sila Nanotechnologies says the US, which introduced electric vehicles to the world, shouldn't shy away from the opportunity to innovate.
The world is going to go towards all electric vehicles, whether the Democrats are in the White House or the Republicans are in the White House.
Clean energy may be a controversial topic during the presidential election season, but Moses Lake hopes to reap the benefits of the cutting-edge industry coming to town with hundreds of new jobs. Natasha, Mozgovaya, VOA News, Moses Lake, Washington.